My dear students, I am going to explain you why is angle of elevation equals to angle of depression in the case of height and distance trigonometry. You know, in the case of angle of elevation, horizontal line is below and line of sight is up. That means the object to be seen is up and the observer is down. So the line of sight which makes the angle of elevation with the horizontal line is down. And in the case of depression, angle of depression, the horizontal line is up and angle of sight is down because the object is below and the observer is up. In that case, the angle which is formed, that is angle of depression, is formed above. And with the horizontal line which is up parallel to that, when another parallel line is drawn on the ground that is also horizontal, so both become parallel to each other. And in that case, line of sight is acting as a transversal. So when two lines are parallel and a third line which is a transversal is intersecting them, in that case, angle of elevation and angle of depression both are acting as an interior alternate angle, and so they are equal. Interior alternate angles are equal, so angle of elevation equals to angle of depression. So this is always true, mandatory, if the line of sight is acting as a transversal to the parallel lines, which is making angle of depression and angle of elevation. So they are equal. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.